Hello and welcome to Finds Management Part 1. Pinpoint carefully. There is nothing worse than chopping a good find in half with your spade. Having extracted your finds, you need somewhere to put them safely. Ideally, grip seal bags and a finds pouch. When you get your finds home, a dry box is brilliant for keeping your finds safe and dry until you can deal with them. A dry box is an airtight box with silica gel bags and a humidity indicator. When we remove most metal objects from the ground, we save them in one sense, but in another sense we put them at risk from decay. Intrinsically and historically valuable objects could be treated by a trained conservator. However, there are thousands of objects being uncovered which would benefit from treatment but do not want using a professional conservator. I like to think that, with care, this is the way forward for those finds. If you want to go further, first you need to wash your find. Don't wash under the tap or in muddy puddles. Use distilled or deionized water and a bowl and or sieve. Different metals need treating differently, so we need to identify the metal. Since 1947, UK standard silver coloured coins have been Cupro nickel. 5p's and 10p's were changed to nickel plated steel in 2011. Simple, safe aids to identification. Before we get involved in anything more, we need to think about protecting ourselves. There are a number of effective hand tools you can use: brush, scalpel, eraser, dental pick, glass fibre pencil, cotton buds, cocktail sticks, mounted needle. You can use a scalpel vertically on the object to cut away corrosion a millimetre at a time. Similarly, you can use an oscillating engraver. It is best to hold the object you are working on in a machine vise. You need a block of wood below the object to support it. An ultrasonic cleaner is a good tool providing the object is sound. The barrelling machine is harsh but ideal for recycling modern coins. Avoid alligator or crocodile clips. I use 28mm spacing copper pipe clips, variable voltage transformer and mixed soda solution. There are a range of effective cleaning chemicals. Many can be bought locally at supermarkets or hardware stores. Start with the mildest treatment, and when that stops working, go to the next level. This is a specialist treatment for bronze disease, and there is another for weeping iron. There are a number of finishing treatments you can use if absolutely necessary. Using finishing treatments depends on what we want to achieve. I'll just finish with a few examples of cleaning projects. Thank you for watching.